In this video we demonstrate how to install Ranger in top of K3S on OTC with Terraform. We have a repository with the related deployment files for Terraform. The README markdown describes feature sets and requirements for the installation and has also hints for debugging and tests. After recreate TFVars file with Terraform apply. The target URL for Ranger will be shown at the end, so we configured also DNS entry for Ranger endpoint. When the installation is finished, we can enter the URL in the browser. Ranger needs at first the URL endpoint. Create admin credentials. In the cluster overview, we see our own just created cluster. You can add more downstream cluster here. In its overview, we see all nodes for the current cluster and the status of each node, the installed software version and used resources. More details in the nodes view. New in Ranger 2.5 is the dashboard with more detailed view on resources on nodes and deployments.